So this is Dr. Mahadev Gaus here from Directorate of Higher Education. So this time under the Directorate of Higher Education, UG admissions we had started from 27th of May onwards for all the UG programs such as BA, BCom, BSc, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Computer Applications, Bachelor of Vocations, BA, BEd, BSc, BEd, then Bachelor of Arts in LLB, integrated program, then BSc Agriculture. So all these programs, the online application admission process was opened from 27th of May till 7th of June. In this period, we have received almost 11,700 unique registrations from across the state, and out of that, we had received total applications as 29,700. So this time the student had an option to apply for multiple colleges with a single registrations. So that's the reason why the number of application has been increased to almost 29,700 applications. So right now all the colleges are under the process of processing those applications and reviewing the process of those applications. The final merit list for all these UG programs under the Directorate of Higher Education will be displayed on 18th of June on the respective college website. For all the programs such as BA, BCom, BSc, then BSc Agriculture, all these BSc, BEd, BA, BEd, all these programs, the respective college will display the merit list. Now, for the programs such as Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Computer Application, these programs needed prerequisite is that the student or candidate shall undergo through the entrance test. So those who are given the entrance test, the respective colleges will prepare the merit list, and considering the marks of their entrance exam as well as the 12th standard, they'll prepare the separate merit list, and that shall also will be displayed on the respective college website. As far as the programs such as BA LLB integrated program and BA BEd is concerned, for these programs, the merit list also shall be displayed based in the respective college website. For a BA LLB program, there was a prerequisite for students or candidates to answer the GU CLET exams. So this exam this year it was conducted by the Goa University. Now for these two programs, BA BEd and BA LLB, there will be a central counseling that will be held by the Directorate of Higher Education. The dates will be soon announced once the merit list is announced on 18th of June.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.